Hi.
What's that?
Oh, I know I promised you dinner, but I wanted to include your dog too, so I brought stuff for a barbecue.
Really?
Yeah, I made this extra hot dog for Oliver.
Wow, that's so thoughtful. Before you give it to him, would
Make
you
sure to blow on it? Yeah, I got you. Here you go, buddy.
Thanks.
When you're done eating, we should go for a ride.
Where?
Oh, you'll see. Just make sure to bring Oliver.
What are we doing here?
Oh, I thought we could get Oliver a toy.
Really? Which one do you like more? I can't decide.
Oh, let's just get them both.
Oh, no, you don't have to do that.
Oh, I want to. Anything to make Oliver happy.
Thanks for buying those toys for Oliver. That was really sweet.
Yeah, of course. Sorry I didn't get you anything. Is there anything you want?
Oh, I don't know. That's a hard one. Your last name.